clean that stove to the fullest. Oh! She's a pinball.
It's like a slushie.
It's grainy and it's gonna go everywhere.
Want some slime?
It's like eating a slush puppy.
Yeah.
You want some slush?
Whoa, it's getting thick.
Good afternoon, Sallies! Welcome to the vlog! I'm Amanda.
I'm Lily.
I'm Cody. And this is Amanda Sally Productions! Yeah! Hey!
No!
Hey! We are doing
The Jelly Bath Challenge.
But kicker, most people kind of go in a bathtub. We are going in a tub. Well, they are gonna go in a tub. What they're gonna do is one's gonna go in, sit in it, hopefully not break it, and I'm gonna ask some trivia questions. And each round, if they get it wrong, a cup goes on their head. And every round, the cup gets bigger for every wrong answer. So each round, I'm gonna ask them 5 questions. And let's see these guys get slimed with the bath jelly. Bath
Jelly Bath.
but it's bath jelly.
Okay.
Jelly in the bath.
Bath
Jelly in the tub. I'm gonna win this time. If you're gonna beat her, then you're playing the revenge with me on the rock, paper, scissors pie.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh!
Never win.
Round 1.
Round 2.
Round 3.
So, grand finale at the end. The person who loses will get all 3 cups poured all on them.
Alright, so Cody is the first victim and he's gonna go in.
I'm going in.
Da, 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 da.
I'm about to slip. Can I do that? Oh.
Okay.
However way you want to sit in it.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Ah!
Oh, we're fanning out! And this is probably why people don't use tubs, they use actual baths.
I feel like I'm really floating in a slushy right now.
Really?
Yeah. And this is why we're not a normal channel. Because we take baths in a tub. A tub.
In a tub.
Oh!
Not a bathtub.
Not a bathtub. No. Normal people do that.
Help me, I need my guts, help me.
Chance, we're in the middle of a vlog.
We are?
The kids are in a slime bath in the tub in the kitchen.
I just don't know how to work. Are you guys still on board, you and Lily?
As long as it's still good with the weather. See you at 5:45.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye.
Round 1.
All right, you ready, Cody? Question number 1. How many legs does a spider have?
8.
Wow, good
That's
job. Okay, ready? Question number 2. According to the Dr. Seuss book, who stole Christmas?
The Grinch.
The Grinch. He's feeling
I thought I was gonna get that one wrong.
Question number 3. What's the name of the town where the Flintstones live?
Even I don't know that.
I haven't watched
should.
Flintstones ever since like
I haven't watched
6.
No? That would be called Bedrock.
Bedrock?
He gets a small cup.
I got you, Phantom.
All right, Lil, get him. Get him, Lil. Oh, Cody, number 4. How many holes are there on a golf course?
12.
8?
18.
Oh.
Oh! That must feel so weird to finish round 1. Okay.
Oh my god.
Cody, question number 5. How many lungs do humans normally have?
2.
Yeah.
Good job. All right, Lily's turn. Oh, yeah.
Look, it's gone.
Oh! Yep, there you go. Slush it all in. You got it? Oh, I ate some of that. I don't know how you did that, but you shot it right in my mouth.
Skating.
All right, well,
I'm getting inside.
while Cody's attempting to stay in.
Oh, yuck. Ah! Okay. Oh, it's hot in here.
Hot?
Yeah.
Because Cody was in it?
Oh!
Oh!
I'm cold. This is so uncomfortable.
Cody, you're gonna be able to grab a cup with those slippery feet? Cody, while you're there.
We'll crawl over.
I need to get my feet inside. Oh, no, thank you.
Round 1.
Question 1. In Finding Nemo, what is Nemo's dad called?
Marlin.
Yes.
Obviously, I watched Finding Nemo so much when I was little.
Question number 2. Which is taller, the Eiffel Tower or the Statue of Liberty?
How am I supposed to know that?
It's a 50-50 chance.
I'm gonna go with the Statue of... No!
You already said it.
The Eiffel Tower.
The Eiffel Tower.
Aha!
Oh! Question number 3. What is the capital city of the U.S. state of Hawaii?
Honolulu.
There you go. Correct. Ding, ding, ding.
Are you done? Man.
Okay, question number 4. Which band released the song Hey There Delilah?
Play my keys.
Wow,
love
that is
that song.
correct. Ding, ding,
I
ding.
love that song.
Last question of round 1. How many keys are on most baby grand pianos?
I'm just gonna take a guess. 24.
88. Yeah. Round 2. Cody, number 1. What is a group of lions called?
A herd?
A pride.
There you go.
It like runs like a waterfall. Number 2. What color are emeralds?
Green.
Good job.
Oh, I was about to
I know that because I play Minecraft.
Question number 3. Which animal is the tallest in the world? Yep.
Oh, that scared me.
I thought you. I was about to say, were we both wrong?
Question number 4. Is the planet Jupiter larger or smaller than the Earth?
Smaller.
It is actually larger.
Oh, I was
Yummy.
It just looks so weird. You always have to get the bottom, Lil. Be lucky it's not the other slime where you'd have the crusty, nasty bottom in your face, like I did. Oh yeah, fill her up. All right, question number 5.
Oh my god!
It's number 5 of round 2. Ready, Cody? What is the name of Shrek's wife?
Fiona.
Good job.
I watched Shrek. That's like my favorite. I love
Princess
Shrek.
Fiona, but that is close enough.
Round
Alright, well, question number 1. Where is Kanye West from?
Chicago. Right?
Yes. Right? Question number 2. What song is this line from? He took the bottle to his head and pulled the trigger.
Whiskey Lullaby.
Good
That's
job.
my song. Love that song.
Question number 3, Lil. In the movie The Wizard of Oz, what did the Scarecrow want from the wizard?
Who's the Scarecrow? I know what the Tin Man wanted. A brain.
Yes.
I went to Todrick's song. A brain list.
Just say, you should have known.
Yeah, a brain.
Question number 4. What is the name of the dog from Wizard of Oz?
Toto.
Toto. Question number 5. Who does the voiceover for Dory from Finding Nemo and
Ellen.
Finding Dory? Ellen who?
DeGeneres.
Okay. Alright, so that completes round 2. Round 3. Question number 1. Which country is home to the kangaroo?
Australia.
Yeah.
Good job.
Australia.
Question number 2. By what name are the young of frogs and toads known?
Tadpole.
Tadpole.
Okay, I had to think about it for a second.
Okay, question number 3. What is the name of Winnie the Pooh's donkey friend?
Oh, I know this too. Eeyore!
He got it right.
Eeyore?
He got it right.
I almost said Eeyore.
Okay.
Eeyore.
Question number 4. Scooby-Doo and his friends travel around in which vehicle?
A van.
What's the van called?
Pencil?
Nope. It is the Mystery Machine.
I would have said like a mystery van.
Oh, the big tub.
Well,
Oh, yeah. Question number 5, Cody. This will end your round. He's smarter than the average bear, but what's the name of the most famous resident of Jellystone Park?
Boo boo. Want to go get that business partner?
See, you're saying it all. You should know his name.
Wait, Jack?
no.
Oh, Yogi Bear.
Oh.
Lily's turn, Lily's turn, Lily's turn.
I'm going in.
You can't see it, can you?
It's 2 and 4.
Round 3.
Question number 1. Which actress played Katniss Everdeen in The Hunger Games?
Jennifer Lawrence.
You knew that one too?
Yes, everybody knows.
Question number 2. What fictional city is the home of Batman?
Why don't I know this? I don't know.
Alright, time's up. Gotham City.
Oh, I should have known that.
That looks so funny. Okay, Lily. Question number 3. What famous actor is known for the saying, "I'll be back"?
I'll be back.
Darth Vader.
Dun, 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 dun.
Arnold Schwarzenegger. Okay, Lily. Question number 4. What is the name of the actress who played Hermione Granger in the Harry Potter series of films?
I know this. I know this.
You don't know her name?
What's her name?
Emma Watson?
Emma Watson.
You don't know Emma Watson?
I'll be with Oh. Okay, there we go.
Looks like you're wearing a wig. Precise. Precision, precision. That's how we fill cups up, guys.
Running out!
Question number 5, which will end this. What was the name of the monkey in the Disney movie Aladdin? You have to know this one. He's so cute.
A new.
Abu.
A boo.
Abu. Oh. Oh man. Very good. Oh. She sat right back down.
So the kids are actually getting along today, and they decided they were gonna take all 3 together.
Okay. Yep.
And then, who wants the cup? You might as well while you're there. Yeah. Oh!
Warm and disgusting.
So that was the vlog for today, guys. Leave a thumbs up.
Please subscribe to our channel, and if you guys have anything you want us to do in the future, please leave it in the comments below.
And remember, guys, anything's possible. If you put your mind to it. Ooh.
You got some jelly in your ear.
Ooh. I've got a migraine.
Have a good night, guys.
Bye.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Eyes wide open. Yeah.
So guys, okay, so earlier before this challenge, I actually won PUBG for once. My first game that I won was my 3rd game of the day, and I got 11 kills, and I came in number 1. Number 1 place out of 99 players. It is the best game of 2017 right now. Insert clip.
Now.
I don't know, like, I won.
Rank number 1, kill 11 players, reward 1247, rank points 810, kill points 220, hit point 217, match ends in 4.32 seconds. Number 1 out of 99.
I won the game, Sarah. Oh, Dad.